Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Yo, Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Now Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion Foot.
Best of the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot to the world.
Lion Foot TV.
Oh, Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot TV.
Big up Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot, you're so great, 'cause you're blessed by the Most High.
Bless love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, line and lioness. Speak up on yourself and only there, whole love and blessings. I don't know, it's another vlog from Lion Foot non-stop work. As you may have said, just to keep you guys entertained. Yes, man, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Help the channel grow. Saying, welcome to the platform. Yeah, man, so in this episode of my viewers and subscribers, this is an entertainment one, and I hope you find it joyful and, you know, have a laugh. But yeah, man, you don't know, we have Lady Danger. I perform and I'm gonna screech up on her, so she tell him to back up. I tell her that the man is supposed to feel fat, small like himself. You see me? We also have real Askel supporting act for Bad Gyal Jade. You know, Bad Gyal Jade was in the UK on her tour, see, and she had a leave in sending off. So we have the performance of share from the Shell boss. You see me I say? Yes, man, the winning boss. You see it? Yes, man, and also Merciless brother. And him brother, little brother. I carry on the trend and make sure it's a Merciless voice. Still never end, you know what I mean? Still there, still I carry on. You see, so you don't know, don't go nowhere. I'm going to see what I go on. You see what I say? Yeah, man.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I love nice figure, me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot a crowd. In a shame for that.
Yeah, man, welcome back. Who feels it knows, we got people who can relate to what life and poverty. So first we're going to kick it off with the Lady Danger. So watch where I go.
When he sees an opportunity, but it don't work out.
If I want my gun never free, like in a day in a good night, like a head touch a runway for the fight. If one me check up in a fix, but can't do hard pussy. My youth back up the man, my youth back up the man, back up the man, one man to the pussy back up. Hold on, I know I'm nice and clean and everything, but I one man to my pussy. I wanna fuck black boy. Big up blood clot friendship to the world.
No, sir, me not lie. Danger, make a deal with the man, sir. No, Lady Danger, make a deal with the man, sir. No, sir, for me, that the man, me that go hide, me not lie. Boy, everybody I laugh to blouse and skirts. The Danger perform. And I get in the mood and I start wheel the body. Yo, Danger curvy still, you know, me like the new look Danger. So the man, anyway, the man there was Danger. I see him creep up, and I take them and draw near. And when Danger fling the body left and right, you know, you see. Danger say, back up no, man. She not broke, she not fuck broke, man, and all of them things there. But I think she did mean she style him like that. You know, she just have a vibe. Yeah, but me not like my viewers and subscribers. Tell me, all of the man them, if it was you, how you da feel? But big up Lady Danger still. I'm love how she big up her man, Frenchie, see? I don't know, ride or die. You see me I say? Big up Lady Danger, bad artist, I shoot for glory. I'm see she get the look in, same way, you see me? Yes, man, so just support her. One day, you know? Big up yourself, Lady Danger. So now, my viewers and subscribers, we are move on to Merciless brother and him brother, bigger brother, local brother. Yeah, but so here I go.
Hold it! Head them for no sir Leonard, big boy! Gunshot me give boy! This is my small brother. What you say, small brother?
The last son, you know, left the 357 Magnum when them feel like we bust boy and shoot out them rash tongue. Says new Merciless.
Say yes, what I say now. I don't have any conscience. I don't keep up with nonsense, no. Me no bust gunshot in a sky. Me turn it on pussy and make marrow fly. Side where me lean it, where I say.
Yeah, hear me. But we say new Merciless. Everybody upset. Some of them I say them, but then how them no bust yet, boy. We suck back to. We never drink a bigger yet. Say we kill Merciless with the stinking breath. Sell him come a war, make him run the pimp crap. Make we light them with lyrics out with them like cigarette. But to this warhead, they never press a trigger yet. When them feel like, yeah, hear me. Now friend them, howdy.
I'm out.
Crowdy.
Gunshot chopping in your mouth.
Howdy! Yo, that the man them voice dead stamp on the Leonard, you know. Yeah, man. I believe what the two of them, you know what I mean, have it locked. You get what I say? Yes, but viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think still. You see me? Yeah, man, I love what them carry on the chain for Merciless, you know? Yes, you don't know Merciless funeral is coming up soon. Yeah, man, so you don't know. One Leonard Warrington from Clarendon. Rest in peace, may your soul rest in peace. The legacy lives on. You see, my viewers and subscribers is a joy. If you see them two, man, I carry on Merciless voice and them have it locked. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And so, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, I'm big up on yourself and you don't know. I'm grateful for the support. So, you don't know, let me know what you think in the comment section. Just keep it active. So, I say, yeah, man, active. So, now, my viewers and subscribers, the winning boss, real Askel. You know what I mean? The man say winning. You know what I mean? Perform a Jamil show and shell it. And from there, so I be a bookings, I see him get the looking right now, which is good. Talented artists who need the highlight and the spotlight. You know what I mean? So it's a joy if you see the promoter, them I reach out. Big up Team Flexi. You know what I mean? Yes, man, Flexi Promotions. So I don't know, watch the performance, and as I say, let me know what you think in the comment section. Your comments mean a lot, your feedback. Yes, it. So big up on yourself. You don't know. A lion foot with another vlog, and we are doing it. We're not boasting or bragging. So watch Real Askel, the bad artist, and then you don't know. Share the content, and you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself.
Good night. Take it up. You know when I like start to something and introduce yourself. And I'm not really bad, bro. Yeah, man, we have to about that. Then on my time. That's why we have to leave a schedule and I work into a time that we part. Nah, man. I tell you. Yeah, man. Good night, each and everyone. This is Real Askel. You know me there I represent tonight. Him said a long talking. But we're going to start my thing a cappella because somebody do the thing. Because you know what the band go. Sick it, dog? So what is that? Shan! Boy pick up pension. Mexican badness cartel. 4-5 cent boy soul go ahead. Random rest in peace and swell. What is that? Shan! Boy pick up pension. Mexican badness cartel. 4-5 cent boy soul go ahead. And in the rest in peace and swell. Make like rise and squeeze. And a bump in a face when them girl did a squeeze. Genesis, plus them face like violate or please. Kappa pulling up, watch this and all these. See? Flexi, you know this. What you say? Alright, bump up now. Run up in on me, war on them. Run up in on me, war on them. We make shots spread over boy like out of fabric. People and me now fish and bird. What is that? You know the war on them. You know the war on them. The remix shots spread over boy like out of fabric. People and me now. Give me a minute. Hey! Rising rifle way down like a bomb. Tack it in a gang, let them boy they can't see. Come on, Real Askel, them a try to organize a get over. Come back on me. So put them in on the gun so that I can strap with the rifle and the pallet to the car. Shut up, I just sit down and I can't see. Remember, I'm going to pull up the scene. Fancy. Come on, we don't even rock it. Come on, rock it with them shot. I got a battle. People have been up. What is that? We'll be on the war right there. You think of that? Listen. When boy listen, they kill that soldier like a doctor. I'm more serious one than the girl Chinese reactor. I over. What? They do like a sofa. I heard about them body when them get that fight and no sense. Powerful just like the impulse. Like a heart thing. Come and drop all the couple. I fight for the boy again. But the young force. We don't know prime minister. But we sit down with the whole too much. Lift up and go again. I want one more. Come on. Tell no boy what you heard from them. And we own up a boy here to the iceberg. Not like program, we didn't take this over. Serving them in the streets and savage. So we're watching no shot for it, chocolate. Kick off them doors and lead up like this. Extend up this city boy, we have this whole get finger around. Do it. Stop with every six in the first inning. Do it. Talk up and still on me playing. Doing it. Stop with every six and the first inning. Doing it. Be a talk up and still on me playing. I will leave on a 3 lines off. I won't know how to play. We're winning. Pussy, they're gonna lose.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.